Aaron Eubank, the National Sales Manager with WireCrafters, and I was out walking the floor today and this caught my eye. A couple things, I was able to go back and look this job up and see exactly what was going on. One, the first thing that caught my eye was the color. That's not our standard color. What I did notice as I was doing this is it does utilize our threaded insert, so that immediately keyed me to know that this was our RapidGuard II product line. So it has removable panels for ease of installation. On this particular product, we utilize 1 1/4 by 1 1/4 inch openings. This particular customer actually asked us to shrink that down to 1 inch openings. The end user is a package manufacturer in the Midwest, and they're using this around all their package machinery. This right here is so that it's very aesthetically pleasing on their floor and matches the other machines that they have on their floor.
Walking through the shop, and I don't know why, but this WireCrafters job